Good morning again. Welcome to the Backpacktrader training room. Crude oil inventory report session for Thursday, June 2nd. Please note this is an educational and informational room only. This is not investment advice. Results presented are hypothetical and not necessarily typical. Complete risk disclosure. Where risk is at the link at the bottom of the slide on the screen. Please feel free to review if you'd like. All right. And we're a couple of minutes away from the inventory report. All right. Should be coming out in just a moment. Anytime now. And there's your reaction. That was a big reaction, all the way from 1482 to 1550, 58, 57. Yeah. We'll wait our 2 minutes. A big pop to the upside there. That's the 377 tick on the lower right or lower left. The unleaded 20 tick range bar on the upper right, and the crude, oops, that's 5 tick. I want the 8 tick. There's the 8 tick range bar. And that's the micro crude 8 tick range. And we are into our trade session. There's our first trade of the morning. Good morning, Miles. And there's our money. Whoops. There's money management. So we're still within the trading range. And there's the short triggers in. So the stops at 66. Targets are at 34 and 26. And we have a stop and reverse at 61. Make that a market order because we don't want to get stuck in the trade. That was set up is at 57. Stop and reverse makes it 59. Key level takes it to 61. So that means our money management is going to be at 71, and targets are going to be targets 3 and 4. And there's another short, so we're still in the short. And there's money management and target 1, so we're going to be one and done. And that also cancels the stop and reverse. Did actually stopped out, so that cancels the stop and reverse. Oops, and I didn't move come down to money management. Let's close that out. All right. I didn't get the stop moved properly. Thinking about some other things. Stop should have been at 46. And we are done with. Okay, our 2 minutes was up in here. That's a reaction trade. I'm not going to be interested in that one. Then we have the short that did trigger in on the 377. Target 1 is going to be our money management level. 2 of the 3 targets are still within our initial range. And now we have a long at the stop, 115.66. And it breaks through that. So we are long, looking for a target at 115.89. Quick one and done, and Unleaded now has its first trade. Made a long. Lots of time to get into that one, it looks like. Has his hit target too, so that'll be one and done. So Crude, full crude contract, one and done. Unleaded will be one and done. And there is target two on the, so the full stop on the short trade was 32 ticks. So that's going to be down 64. The long trade gives us a target two of 37. Actually 35, no, 37, because it was already at the stop. And 69 being our current stop on that. So we picked up 37. We got 27 ticks to go. We're still down 27. After the first trade loss. And we'll have to get that on the trailer. The entry was at 66. The current stop is at 73. So far we've got 7 ticks. No, yeah, 7 ticks. And we'll see where that goes. But it looks like it's going to be a quick session. And maybe not. We got to get somewhere close to that target. Actually, we got to get up close to target 2. Stop still at 1573 on the 377 tick, hitting target 3 again. And 1577 for the stop. Yep. Now we have 11 ticks. Still need 16 more to get even. All right. Any questions? Only 4 of you still sticking around, so we'll be glad to answer any questions. No movement in the stop yet. We have broken out of the original trading, right? The original reaction to the upside. And it looks like we moved up to stock just moved up to 79. Looks like it'll move up to 82 on the close of this bar. So that'll be 16 ticks. We'll need another 11 ticks. Okay, we moved up to 82. Looks like we're about to move up to 92 on the next bar. Balance line is at 1594 at the moment. Not going to go down at all, so it'll be at least 1592. Now that'll be 26 ticks, so we'll be 1 tick negative. Now if you're trading that, I would push my stop to 94. It just went to 92, and looks like the next step is going to be another 10 cents at 1603. But I would definitely push it to 94. Make this your last trade. 1594 will put you 1 tick positive. All right, and we stopped out. We moved up to 1597. Yeah, we moved up to 1597 and stopped out there. So that That is POQ on 2 trades. Not by much. 97, we got 31 ticks. 68, we're up 4 ticks on the 2 trades, so break even on the 377 tick chart today. And that brings us to a close with all 3 charts already. And we're just 18 minutes in. Any questions? Questions or comments? I will certainly accept either one. You're quite welcome, Pamela. You have a wonderful weekend. Troy will be back in on Monday. And as far as I know, we're on a regular schedule next week. What a concept. Now let's see. Toward the end of next week, we need to be watching the index futures, because rollover to the September contract will be somewhere around the 12th, give or take a couple of days. All right, folks. I don't see anybody chiming in with questions, so that's going to make a quick session of it. And we will see everybody tomorrow. Or not tomorrow. No, I won't see everybody tomorrow. We'll see everybody on Monday. This is not Wednesday. This is Thursday. Everybody have a good trading day tomorrow and a good weekend. And we'll see everybody Monday. You too, Miles.